Once you consign your car with RP Exotics, we take ownership of the process immediately. We coordinate secure, insured transport from your location directly to our facilities. Our goal is to remove friction early and ensure that your vehicle arrives safely and efficiently without you managing logistics. This is at zero upfront cost to you. Upon arrival, your vehicle is received at our recon facility and checked in by our certified recon team. This is the formal intake stage where your vehicle is documented, verified, and entered into our system with accuracy and accountability from day one. Your vehicle undergoes a detailed 56-point inspection designed to exactly mirror how real buyers evaluate cars. This includes inspecting the underside, exterior, interior, and overall condition. If we identify anything that can improve frontline readiness or buyer confidence, we communicate those findings directly to the consignor before moving forward. Next, the vehicle moves to our professional detailing team, where the goal isn't just for it to be clean, but for it to be showroom ready. The car is prepped to photograph, show, and represent itself at the highest level. Then your vehicle will receive high-resolution photo and video from our internal photography team. This includes exterior and interior imagery, engine bay details, wheels, walk-around footage, driving shots, and more for your gallery. At the same time, we create a compelling vehicle description with a full option breakdown. Every asset is designed to position your vehicle competitively and answer buyers' questions before they even ask them. Once your listing assets have been finalized, we then publish your vehicle across more than 40 listing platforms. This includes major marketplaces, social media platforms, and RP Exotics' own channels. Your consignment specialist sends you the live listing link for review. After listing, your vehicle is then placed in the RP Exotics showroom, a temperature-controlled and monitored environment. It's maintained on a battery tender and started weekly to ensure proper mechanical condition throughout the listing period, up to 90 days. Our client advisor team works leads 7 days a week. Every lead is pursued persistently and professionally. We do not let interest fade. Each inquiry is worked thoroughly to extract real opportunities and maximize exposure for your vehicle. You remain in control at every stage. Your consignment specialist communicates all offers, pricing adjustments, repair recommendations, and strategy decisions directly to you. We provide performance updates, buyer feedback, and clear guidance so decisions are informed and not rushed. When a deal is secured, we handle the entire closing process. This includes buyer communication, negotiation, paperwork, funding verification, and delivery coordination. Every buyer is screened for legitimacy and proof of funds to ensure a smooth and secure transaction from start to finish.